Well, I am standing here with Sarah at Portland Nursery on Stark Street. And Sarah, we're going to be talking today about azaleas, but kind of a twist on them. These are the deciduous azaleas, correct?
Yes.
So tell me, why is there a difference? What is the difference between the two varieties of stuff?
Okay, so most azaleas you see around are evergreen,
Right.
so they keep their leaves. Deciduous are going to drop their leaves.
Okay.
So they, as a bonus, when things are deciduous, drop their leaves, usually some nice fall color appears. So these have some actually quite striking fall color,
Cool.
which is nice. Traditional azaleas also need shade. They can't take the hot sun, whereas these can actually do better in the
Really?
sun.
Okay.
They can still do shade, but they get a little more straggly. And the coloring on these is a little more unique. It's like this one's a very delicate kind of pinky color, but this one here is going to actually be a really vibrant orange, and this one's going to be a pinky orange. So they kind of just have a different hue than most
Well, and I
azaleas.
have heard that. I've heard that one of the things that some friends of mine that love these really think the world of them about is because their colors are much more brilliant than just the reds, pinks, and the softer colors of most evergreen azaleas. So that's a real bonus for these.
Mm-hmm. And they've got, as you can tell, they're just prolific. And as you were kind of saying before on the show, that you've seen them, where it's just flowers first, it's just leaves first,
Yeah,
it's kind of both
yeah.
at once. So, it's like this one here doesn't have a ton of leaves, but it just makes those buds pop.
So let's go over the three that we picked out. What are the names of these?
Yeah, so this one here is Irene Coster, and it's got kind of a soft rosy pink with yellow, and it's scented.
Yes.
Actually. So nice scent.
And I've heard that almost all of them are.
Yes,
That's
quite a few.
that's a big bonus, isn't it? And this
Quite a
one, this
few
beautiful
are.
orange one.
Yeah,
is that
this
it?
one is called Gibraltar. It's got bronzy leaves and then a really bright orangey red, kind of like a fiery color.
And then this lovely one here. I love the shape of this one already too. The shrub is beautiful.
Yeah, and this one, as you can see, it's already got the nice bronzing
Yeah.
going on, so it's going to have a really nice red fall color on the leaves. But it's a pink and orange flower.
And this one is Cannon's Double.
Oh, Cannon's Double, sorry. I'm supposed
That's
to
a
say
wonderful one. And then you guys also, though, you have I would assume that with the planting, it's all the same, just like you would plant any other shrub well, make sure the drainage is there.
Mm-hmm.
And do you think these are like regular azaleas where they need a lot of acid soil?
Yeah, everything likes good drainage, basically. They do like the acidic soil. So in the Pacific Northwest, azaleas, rhodeies is part of the rhodei family. They're going to do well.
Yeah,
it's
right.
just kind of our
And
specialty.
Here at Portland Nursery, you guys there are some natives, and you guys carry those as well.
Mm-hmm. Yes, we have quite the native section, actually.
Yes, you do. You have one of
Yes.
the most impressive native sections I've seen around.
Thank you.
So for more information on these wonderful azaleas, whether you've heard of them or not, we'll go take you over to gardentime.tv, and then you can click over to Portland Nursery. Come out and visit them because they have a tremendous selection of natives, and they have a wonderful selection of deciduous azaleas.